The best camping stoves are portable, easy to use, easy to clean, and rugged enough to last for years. Our top stoves for camping usually run on propane, and for most people, propane camp stoves are the way to go. There are many products available to choose best camping stoves, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best camping stoves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1, Camp Chef Explorer Stove. In terms of burner performance, you'll be hard-pressed to find more quality output for your dollar than the Camp Chef Explorer. The 60,000 total BTUs from the two burners are a great pairing for large group camp cookouts or even emergency use at home. The stove also sets up quickly, and its sturdy legs are individually adjustable to adapt to uneven ground. The upside of the simplistic design is that the Explorer is ripe for the various accessories from Camp Chef, including a barbecue box, griddle, or pizza oven. Large dials are easy to use and function in the same way as your cooktop at home, but unfortunately, it's not a whole lot lighter than that home stove. The powder-coated assembly tips the scales at 30 pounds 8 ounces. Leaving behind the legs will trim some of that weight, but the Explorer remains overkill for less serious campers. Bigger groups should also check out the 3-burner version of the Explorer, which adds an additional 30,000 BTUs of output for around $120 more. Number 2, Coleman Classic Propane Stove. For years, campers have turned to Coleman stoves for simple, reliable performance. Toward the bottom of their camping stove lineup is the Classic Propane, which is consistently on sale for under $50. In hand, it's clear the Classic is the cheaper option compared to the more expensive Coleman Triton below. Neither are really solid or durable, and at this price point they really can't be, but the Triton is the better investment for the camper that gets out more than a couple of times a year. Cooking performance reflects the initial impressions. The Classic has slightly less power than the Triton and falls noticeably short in flame performance despite its perfect flow designation. At around $60 at the time of publishing, it's still plenty of stove for the casual outdoors person that needs to cook for a few people. It may not have the deft controls of a high-end unit, but remains plenty capable of boiling water, cooking up steaks, or grilling veggies. Number 3, Coleman Triton Series Stove. Coleman's Triton stove offers impressive cooking power and reliability at a very competitive sub-$100 price. The tabletop design features two strong, highly adjustable 11,000 BTU burners that run on a standard 16-ounce propane canister. Adapters are available to make it compatible with a larger 20-gallon tank. With decent simmer control and solid output at full tilt, the Coleman is one of only a few stoves in its price range that's capable enough for cooking diverse meals. Last but not least, its 11-pound weight and manageable size make the Triton easy to transport in a car and store at home. That said, it's roomy enough for most meals and easily can accommodate two 10-inch pans side by side. Finally, you miss out on auto ignition in this model. There is an Insta-Start version for around $20 more, and the wind shields along the sides only provide moderate protection from gusts. These nitpicks aside, the Triton still offers a good mix of price and performance. Number 4, BioLite Campstove 2 Plus. BioLite does things a little differently. Instead of using propane or butane, the company was founded around the concept of harnessing power from a cooking system. In short, their stoves use wood or pellets to run an integrated generator, which in turn powers a fan to boost heating efficiency as well as collect energy to power electronics. You also can pre-charge the battery before heading out. The Campstove 2 Plus is their portable model, which features easy-to-read LED indicators that display fire strength, available power, and fan speed. And as an added bonus for those limited on space, the BioLite packs down to the size of a 32-ounce water bottle when not in use. That said, you can switch between 4 fan speeds to adjust the size of your fire, and the ability to charge your phone or other devices in the woods will be a perk for some. Number 5. Coleman PowerPack Propane Stove. We were surprised at how much we liked the Coleman PowerPack propane stove in action. The single 7,500 BTU flame is adjustable, giving you a low-power simmer or enough flame to percolate coffee or heat up a cast iron pan for a good sear. Its brilliance comes from simplicity. It has a low profile, so it fits into your camp box for easy packability. It runs off common 16.4-ounce propane bottles that you can find in many gas stations and grocery stores. And it can handle very small pots or oversized pots. We actually like to pair the affordable PowerPack propane stove with an also affordable Weber Go Anywhere gas grill, which covers key elements of camp cooking. Both grill and stove will fit into a Plano Sportsman storage trunk with 2 propane fuel canisters, which makes storage and packing easy and waterproof.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.